Good day, everyone. Learn how to find your Instagram search history. So I'll open the Instagram. I'll click on the bottom right corner and then I'll click on the top right corner and I will scroll down. Something happened. Pardon me. Now, here you have your activity, how you use Instagram. So we need to click on your activity and then scroll down more and you will find recent searches. So you can check your recent searches and you can also clear all or you can do it any individual. So I just have done the one search, the recent search, so it's showing only one. All right. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.